Welcome to the Fat Ass Show. The show where we make fun of famous ugly asses. Today we are here with this girl who weighs 230 pounds. So tell me, what does it feel like to be a fat ass? You should really lose weight, girl. You can kill a fat cat with that fat ass of yours.
First of all, I am glad to be fat because I get to exercise more than other fat asses in the world. No offense, peeps. I really also like being the fat cheerleader in my squad. That's because I proved that also fat people can do the same thing as skinny or normal people. I might slap you, Rick, for saying I'm fat.
Well, that is it for today, and visit us at you know what website and you can watch us for free.
Bye, peeps.